Examples on linear differential equation.
Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it.
Linear differential equation. dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Here p and q are function of x or constant. Then integrating factor is equals to e raised to integration p dx. General solution y into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Another form of linear differential equation is dx upon dy plus px is equals to q. Here p and q are function of y or constant. Then integrating factor is equals to e raised to integration p dy. General solution is x into integrating factor equal to integration q into integrating factor dy plus c. Examples on this topic: dy by dx plus y tan x is equals to sin 2x. Here the value of p is equals to tan x and q is equals to sin 2x. Both p and q are function of x. Then integrating factor is equals to e raised to integration, instead of p you substitute tan x dx equal to e raised to log sec x is equals to log anti-log get cancel, sec x is equals to 1 upon cos x. Then integrating factor is 1 upon cos x. General solution y into integrating factor divided by cos x is equals to integration q into integrating factor. Q is sin 2x. Sin 2x divided by cos x dx plus c. According to trigonometry, sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x divided by cos x dx plus c. Cos x get cancelled. Then y upon cos x is equals to 2 is coefficient and constant common outside, integration sin x dx plus c is equals to integration of sin minus cos x plus c. Then the final result is y divided by cos x plus 2 cos x is equals to c. Next example: 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equals to e raised to tan inverse x. Divide on both sides by 1 plus x square. Then dy by dx plus y divided by 1 plus x square equal to e raised to tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. P is equals to 1 upon 1 plus x square and q is equals to e raised to tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. Then integrating factor is equals to e raised to integration p dx equal to e raised to integration dx divided by 1 plus x square equal to e raised to tan inverse x. Then general solution y into integrating factor is e raised to tan inverse x equal to integration e raised to tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square into e raised to tan inverse x dx plus c. Put t is equals to tan inverse x. Differentiate dt is equals to dx divided by 1 plus x square. Then y into e raised to tan inverse x is equals to integration e raised to t into e raised to t into dt plus c. Instead of dx divided by 1 plus x square, substitute dt. Then is equals to integration e raised to 2t dt plus c is equals to e raised to 2t divided by 2 plus c. Substitute value of t y into e raised to tan inverse x equal to e raised to 2 tan inverse x divided by 2 plus c is the general solution of the given example. Next example, x log x into dy by dx plus y equal to 2 log x. Divide on both side by x log x. Then we get dy by dx plus y divided by x log x equal to 2 log x divided by x log x. Log x get cancelled. Then according to linear differential equation, p is equals to 1 upon x log x and q is equals to 2 upon x. Integrating factor e raised to integration p dx is equals to e raised to integration dx divided by x log x. Put t is equals to log x. dt is equals to dx upon x. Therefore, e raised to integration dt divided by t is equals to e raised to log t. Log and t log get cancelled is equals to t. Then integrating factor is equals to t. Substitute value of t. T is equals to log x. Then general solution y into integrating factor is log x is equals to integration q. Q is 2 upon x into integrating factor log x dx plus c. Again put v is equals to log x. dv is equals to dx upon x. We get integration to coefficient common outside v dv plus c is equals to 2v square upon 2 plus c. 2 get cancelled. Substitute value of v. v is equals to log x. Y log x is equals to the value of v log x bracket square plus c is the general solution of given differential equation.
If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good